Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 21st of September 2018. Okay guys, we have seen a very good day with trading and I am going to start today's discussion from Great Britain Pound USD. As I have supplied the bearish trend in case of Great Britain Pound USD, the entry was 132475 and the target price was 131923. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on Pound USD. The prices were so high, so I was expecting a drop, and drop is on the way, and you can see the market has touched the target price. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. I'm going to take you towards the signal for Pound JPY. Clearly, I have supplied the bearish signal from 149384 and the target price was 148561. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on Great Britain Pound JPY, and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on these two pairs, they must have collected a very good profit. Okay, now let's talk about Euro USD. I have clearly supplied the bullish signal for bearish signal for Euro USD from 117733 and the target price was 117379. And guys, you can see we have a good drop on a Euro USD that hit the target price with no problems. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. Okay guys, mostly New Zealand USD kept itself in a range. However, the signal was bearish from 066857 and you can see we have a slight drop for 3 hours on New Zealand USD, and after that it started to make a slight bullish momentum. Okay, now let's talk about USD JPY. A massively hit signal with no problem. A bearish trend was supplied from 112799 and the target price was 112510. And guys, you can see we have a good drop, massive drop on USD JPY that hit the target price 112510. Okay, now let's talk about AUD USD. The same thing that happened with New Zealand USD. USD followed the same pattern with the bearish expectation from 07 to 883, and guys, you can see 882, and you can see we have a 4 hours drop on AUD USD from the entry. So if you have taken the sell positions from here, then you must have collected a good profit by trading it. Okay, a USD CHF is on the way. I have supplied the bullish signal from 095914 and the target price was 096256. And guys, you can see the market has just break the entry. So if you want to trade it in a bullish way, then my target price is 096256. Okay, now let's talk about the Euro JPY. Okay, so we have seen the downward trend on Euro JPY from 132813 and the target price is 131995. And guys, you can see we have seen a very good downward trend and Euro JPY was about to hit the target price. So if you have taken the sell positions today on Euro JPY, then you must have collected a very good profit. And similarly, at last I'm going to talk about AUD JPY. A bearish trend was supplied from 82237 and the target price was 81607. And guys, you can see it has not hit the target price till now, but however AUD JPY has been down. So guys, moreover about the trading system, buy in the lower red boundary with confirmations. You can see the market has moved up, and when the market goes into the top red boundary, you can see we have a drop, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.